This macro can be used to create a contour dart in your pattern piece. Start the macro. Within this window, you can set different parameters like the width and length of your dart. For the construction, there are multiple options to alter the shape of your lines as well as the extension. Additionally, you can decide how the dart will be defined, changing parameters that can also be found within the dart function in CAD. Once the parameters are set, you first select a starting position for the creation of the dart. In the next step, multiple lines will be displayed, allowing you to select the apex of your dart. Left-click the desired orientation. The dart will be created. This macro can be repeated using the right mouse button. Creating a dart in a piece will alter the geometry. In this example, the length of our piece is affected.